Why choose Mohr's Furnace and Duct Cleaning Incorporated? Mohr's Furnace and Duct Cleaning Incorporated is a premier duct cleaning service with the cutting-edge equipment and best-trained staff to get the job done right. There is no job too big or small for Mohr's to handle, from houses, hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, and schools to government buildings, churches, and everything in between. Our residential and commercial cleaning services cover furnaces, air handlers, chillers, refrigeration coils, dryers and vents, and air exchangers, along with chimney sweeps and inspections. We set the bar for duct cleaning. Our normal is going above and beyond for our customers. Mohr's is a veteran-owned company whose foundation is built off of the 7 Army values: loyalty, duty, respect, honor, integrity, selfless service, and personal courage. Loyalty. Believe in and devote ourselves to our clients. Duty. To fulfill our obligation to our clients. Respect. We will treat you as you should be treated. We pledge to treat others with dignity and respect while expecting others to do the same. Honor. Carrying out, acting, and living the values of respect, duty, loyalty, selfless service, integrity, and personal courage in everything we do. Integrity. Mohr's will do what's right, legally and morally. Selfless service. Our commitment as the Mohr's team to go the extra mile. Personal courage. Stand up and act on those things that are honorable. Mohr's Furnace and Duct Cleaning not only invests in the equipment in the industry, we also invest in our team. Our employees are professionally trained to know their equipment, the cleaning process, and most importantly, how to handle our customers. We respect our customers, their property, and always aim to exceed their expectations. When it comes to the service we provide, we want Mohr's Furnace and Duct Cleaning Incorporated to be the premier company that you choose to perform your service needs. Mohr's Furnace and Duct Cleaning Incorporated, where you get more for less.